Hi guys, it's Jamie. So today we have got $21 that we're going to work with, and I'm going to do some little mini savings challenges. I did go back and figure out where I wanted to put these minis at, and I wrote it down to let you guys know. The winter challenge is going to go into the 2025 challenge. The bird challenge is going to go towards Starlink. The Summer Mini is going to go towards the 2025 challenge. The Micro Wins is going towards Starlink. And then the Mini Plant are going to go to Homestead Supplies. And I will show you that binder in just a minute. But we are going to get started here. And of course, you know, I got my little dice here. We're going to go as far as we can. We're going to start with the winter challenge. This is from the Happy Mailbox Company. It's Lisa. So we are going to count this out. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You all are not going to believe this, but with the steroids, I have got thrush again. Just my luck. But anyway, we are going to roll this, and hopefully, if I can get this in here, I'm going to be rearranging my desk again, so I'm going to try to get it to where it's a little bit better, further up to where everything is not so together. So we got 5 in the winter challenge. This is not going to take long at all, which is good. It's good. You know, I'm trying to get back into the habit of saving money, and I'm fortunate enough that I am getting there again, getting back to the routine and actually having a little bit of money to save. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 in the winter challenge so far. Let me see here. I'll just slide that right here. Yep. Now we're going to go to the little bird. You know what? I'm not even, they're in envelopes, so I'm just not going to. So let's see what we can do with this one. Ooh, 6. I told you it's not going to take long, but it's okay. So we will do a 5 and a 1. So 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have got 11 in here now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put that one there. I don't know how many more we're going to be able to do, but we're going to try to get as far as we can. So this little mini here is going to get 4. Almost got this one done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you all are having a wonderful day wherever you're at. It is cold here in Virginia. Really cold. So, what do we got left, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, if I roll a 6, we got the 6. Did you see that? Okie dokie. Well, that's it for that one, Pokey. So, we'll just... That was crazy. So what we are going to do is, let's do 3 and 3. So 3 and 3. Didn't last long, did it? But it's got a place. It's going somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that one has got 16. So what I'm going to show you guys now is I brought this one here. Okay, we got this. This one back here is finished. So this one right here is going to the homestead. So I brought out my big binder here, and I have got a few envelopes in here getting ready. The 2025 challenge, the homestead, the Starlink. So what I'm going to do is take this little chicken one here out, and it's already completed. I showed you guys, and I did tape it. So I'm just going to put it back here, and we are going to try to save this until springtime for when I go and get the chickens. So there's that. 2025 is this challenge over here that we will be starting soon. This one right here was a freebie from Lisa. I went ahead and got December's bills going through. I did put in like a week at a glance here, and then what bill is to be paid on the day. Let me see. This is December. So here is the 2025 challenge. I found this one on Etsy, and I thought, I want to try it. I may not get it completed, but I am going to try it. Save as much as I can in 2025. Hopefully everything's going to be better, and we have got a lot to look forward to. You know, it's time for a change, people. We can't keep going on like we are, especially with the grocery prices, the housing issues and stuff like that. But we are going to be positive, and I want to thank everybody for joining me and sticking around and seeing my journey throughout this trying time of 2024. I hope everybody has a blessed day. Guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.